Okay, all of you open page number 83. Okay. Acha, this one look, basically I have not completed, na? But division by repeated subtraction done. Okay. This one I'll just explain how to do it, and all of you will do it in book at home. Okay, as a homework. Okay. Don't worry, I'll explain this at the end of the class. Okay. So now what will we do? Look at this by using number lines, which is very important for your exam also. Look, by using this number lines. Okay, basically in your exam you have to, suppose MCQ question, you have to answer option A, B, C, D, whatever is the correct answer. Okay, maybe there this number line will be drawn in option A, B, C, D. In this time, in this way the question may come. Okay, now look at this, how to solve this by using number lines. Okay, first try to understand this one. Look, suppose we are writing 10 divided by 5, okay, is equal to what? How to do? By using number lines. Okay, look at this. First we have to draw number line. Number line means we have to draw a line, okay, in such way, and from 0 we will count. Okay, understood? From 0 we will start to count, and the gap will be, already I explained about number lines. You know about number lines. Now just draw it. First starting with 0, 1, and I told this gap must be equal. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need to do it. Just try to understand. 9, 10, 11, 12. And now the question is, ma'am, up to how many numbers we have to draw it? How many number will write there? Look, the question is given 10 divided by 5 though. So at least take one more value than 10. So that's why look at this. This one is 10 though. I have taken 11 also, 12 also. Okay. I have taken 2 more numbers. Understood? Is it up to this? Alvi, Ankun, Patra. Okay. Shuprit, understood up to this? How to draw the number line? Yes, good. Now look at this. How to do this? 10 divided by 5. So we will start from this 10. We'll start from this 10. Now we have to move to back side, to the left side. Okay, not to this right side. Understood? We have to move to the back side, that is to the left side. Now how to move? We are dividing it by 5 though. So 5 places we have to move. Okay. So from 10 we have to move 5 places. Look, 1 place 9, 2 place 8, backward moving. Okay. 3 place, 4 place, 5 place. As we are dividing it by 5. Okay. So 5 place move done. That means from 10 we have gone up to 5. Now again we have to continue the process until we are getting 0. Until 0 comes. Understood? So we have to, just like repeated subtraction, we have to continue the subtraction until we are getting 0 na? The same thing. Okay. Understood? So Rishit, clear? Debattam? Okay. Now the same thing. Look, 5 places we have moved as we are dividing by 5. Next, another 5 place again we have to move. Okay. 4 place. Look at this. then we reached at 0. We have reached already up to 0. We reached and 5 place we have also moved. So in this way, from this 5 we have moved and we reached at 0. Okay, so this one first moving, this one is second moving. Yes, we reached at 0. In the first moving we have reached at 5. From 10 we have reached at 5. Then the second in the first we have reached here at 5. In the second moving, in the second move we have reached at 0. Okay, so that means now we reached at 0. So we should stop here. Yes, to Rishabh, we have got 0 to. Okay, now how many times we move? How many times we moved? Look, this one first time, this one second time. Yes, to. So 2 times we jump. Yes or no? So Devi, what will be the answer? As we jump 2 times, okay, so 2 is the answer. Understood or not, all of you? Is this clear? Saktamanna? Ha, okay. Sholanki, Ishan, Ankun, Jana, Debattam. Clear to? Shake your head if it is clear. Okay. Mohammad Riaz, Ankush Guchet, Shanvi and Mohammad Tarshid. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. Lamia? Okay, good. Next, Shreyam, Onushrua, Sholanki. Ha, Shreyam. Okay. No need to shake your head in this way. Okay. I have seen beta. Acha, Kushal, Faim Ahmad. All of you, just let me know this one is clear to all of you or not. Okay. Pranavi. Acha, Rishit, Aditya, Riddhima, clear to? Shuprit. Okay, good. Ankon Patro, Aratrika, Shuhana. Just tell me whether have you understood or not. Okay, good. Yes, Aratrika. Okay, now just let me share the questions. Okay, look at this. The first one, all of you open number 86. Huh? The first one, how to jump or how to move. Look. And we have to check how many times we are moving. Okay, it is given 18 divided by 3, right? So what to do? At first we have to check where is 18. Okay, here 18. Look at this. This one is 18. So now what to do? From this 18 we have to jump. This one 18 we have got. We have to jump. Okay, how many places in each jump? 3 places. We'll jump 3 places in each time. Okay. Shuhana, clear to? Acha, okay. Now just look. From 18 we are starting to jump from this one 18. Okay. Now 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. Yes. So we have moved 3 place. Done. Next, this one first jump. Now second jump, another 3 place, and we have to continue the process until we reached at 0. We have to reach at 0. Understood? So now again 3 places. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we reached at 12. First we reached at 15. Then we reached at 12. Okay, look at this. Got it? All of you can see the screen? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Now again another third moving. Okay. In third place. Okay. So 3 jump, third is also here. Where we have jumped 9, reached at 9. Okay. Then 12, then at another 3 places we will reach at 8 and 6. Okay, so we reached at 6. Look at this. Another jump we reached at 6. Acha, next one, next 3 places, okay. From 6 up to 5, then 4, then 3. Okay, that means we reached at 3. From 6, we reached at 3. Done? Clear? This one is clear, Otrika? Okay. Yes or no? Achha, now look at this. Just 3 divide, we are dividing by 3, so 18 divided by 3. So we have to jump 3 places in each and every time. Okay. And how many times we have to jump? Until we reached at 0. Okay. Now after 3, again we have to move 3 places. 2, then 1, then 0. Look, we have already reached at 0. Yes. Now we are at 0. Okay, now look, how many jump we have done? Look, this one first jump, jump 1, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, and sixth jump. So how many jump we have done? 6. There are 6 total jump na? Total 6 move. We have moved for 6 times. 6 times we jumped. Yes, Tom. That means 6 is the answer. Understood? Now this one is clear to all of you. Alvi, Alvira, Onkon Patro, Onkon Jana, and Avigyan Anubhav. Same. Okay. Pushpak. What? Understood or not? Acha, okay. Now let me explain it again for the next one. Some students still have doubt. Okay. Now look at this. In your book by pencil, you have to draw, huh? In your book by pencil. As it is given, 18 divided by 3. Yes. So from 18 we will start and we will move, we will jump backward in backward way. Okay. In the backward way to the left side we will jump. And how many places we will jump? As 18 divided by 3, 3 we have to divide it by 3 too. That's why in case of repeated subtraction, we subtract this 3 now, as we are dividing it by 3. The same thing. In case of using number line, we have to jump. And how many places? These 3 places, as we are dividing it by 3. Okay. Look at this. 18 is there. From 18, we have to jump 3 places. Okay. 17, 16, and 15. That means we reached at 15. Understood? First jump done. 15 we have got. Now the second jump. From 15, again another 3 jump. Just continue the process. Just like repeated subtraction, you continue the process now. Now look, we have reached at 12. Okay, second jump. Is this clear? Now Pushpa, clear too? Now the third jump, okay. 3 steps we have to jump. Look, we reached at 9. Another 3 step jump. Another 1, 2, 3 step. We have to jump. We reached at 6. Next jump. 1, from 6 we reach at 3. And we continue the process until we are getting 0. Okay. Now from 3 we have 1, 2, and 3. Look, we reached 0. So 0 come. We are at 0. Now we should stop here. So answer 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 jumps. We made the 6 jumps. Okay, that means the answer is 6. Now this one is clear to all of you. So complete this one. Complete this one. First, done. Number B, 20 divided by 4. Complete this one first. From 20, we have to move how many places? 4 places. That means we'll reach at 16. Okay, just wait. Achha, one by one, just do it. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, and 4 place. From 20, okay, we have reached at 16. Okay. Okay. Now you can zoom in or out accordingly. Okay, you can zoom in or out the screen accordingly. So you start 8. Okay, third stage. Now fourth jump. Okay. Same process until 0. Fourth jump, we have reached at 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, now we have reached at 0. Yes. So we are getting 0. And step first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes. So the answer is 20. Just write show 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5.